Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery is headed to northern Iowa. This is an example of an heirloom vehicle sold by a Ford dealer, purchased back by that dealer to then be used as a snowplow in their parking lots. But once this truck was set out to pasture, it then literally sat in that pasture for decades. It took a chainsaw to break this Bronco free from all the trees that had grown up around it. We were then asked to meticulously restore this Bronco back to its former glory. We made a few upgrades along the way, like all stainless exhaust, TIG welded with catalytic converter. We upgraded the interior with wool carpet, genuine white leather seats, and amazing red houndstooth inserts. This Bronco's now ready to go back to the showroom floor in like new condition. If you'd like to learn more about our ability to meticulously restore your heirloom vehicle, please give me a call. We'll provide plenty of examples of Broncos we brought back to their former glory. Thanks so much for joining. Let's take a ride together.